how to delete search suggestions on Instagram. Hello guys, so first thing you want to do is open your Instagram and then go to your profile like this. Now this is my profile, as you can see. Go to the top here, click on those three lines as you can see, and after that you have to click on this your activity option. After you click on this option, it will show you many options right here. So scroll until you find recent searches. Click on it. This is the recent searches option. Now right here you will find your recent searches. All what you want to do here is click on this clear all option like this, and then you click on clear all. After that, go back and restart your phone, then reopen Instagram. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.